How to select multiple files in Mac on your MacBook. First, you need to click here on the Finder and locate the files on your MacBook. After locating the file, there are several ways you can select multiple files using a keyboard or a mouse. So first I will show you by mouse. You just need to hold the click, and then you can just drag your mouse pointer like this and can select the multiple files horizontally or vertically like this. After selecting, if you don't want some of the files amongst the selected files, then you need to press and hold the command key on your Mac keyboard and then click on the files that you don't want to unselect them amongst the selected files. So in this way you can separate specific files you want amongst the selected files. You can also press and hold the command key on your Mac keyboard and then click on the file you want to select. So you can click on multiple files like this and can select random files in the folder. You can also click on the file, press and hold shift button on your keyboard and then use the right arrow key or left arrow key like this to select the multiple files. You can always unselect some of the files by pressing and holding the command key on your keyboard and then clicking on the file that you don't want. If there are too many files and you want to select all of them, then just use the keyboard shortcut Command A and all the files in the folder will be selected at once. In this way you can select multiple files at once on your MacBook. Now click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Mac. See you again in the next one.